Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I'm an esthetician instructor. And today we are going to be doing a quick demo on a very special peel. It is the 5-berry pigment control chemical peel. It is a superficial peel. We are only going to be doing 2 layers in this demo. Please keep in mind that all of this is for professional use only. Let's get started. A TCA and antioxidant peel is what we're going to be using. It is a perfect solution for photoaging skin, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and acne. 5-berry pigment control peel combines a 7% TCA, which is trichloroacetic acid, and the benefits of 5 natural berries, which are cranberry, raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, and bearberry. It is safe for all Fitzpatrick. This peel is recommended for normal, combination, and oily skin. Benefits of this peel are the following. It will help brighten and tighten. It'll help minimize pores. It will help reduce any fine lines and wrinkles, reduce pigmentation, which we love that, increase elasticity and firmness, reduce dullness and uneven texture, reduce redness. It'll help lift and firm, and is of course anti-aging as well. If you are a student, remember that continuing education is important, and finding the right product line to work with is also very important. Be sure to always follow the brand that you are working with protocol for optimal results. It is also very important that you are prepping your client's skin leading up to any peel, anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks depending on the treatment. Make sure your clients have instructions for aftercare along with proper products to use after. When to avoid a chemical peel: pregnancy, retin-A, sunburn, chemotherapy, active cold sores, open sores or wounds, Accutane within the last year, breastfeeding, some limitations, aspirin allergies, Jessner's and salicylic peels, you want to avoid those. Heart conditions, Jessner's and salicylic peels, avoid. Recent facial surgery procedures, and some autoimmune diseases. What to expect after the peel? Number 1, avoid all sun exposure. 2, skin will feel tight and tender to the touch, anywhere between 1 to 4 days. Number 3, face will be pink and flushed for 1 to 3 days following the peel. Number 4, no need to cleanse the skin the evening following the treatment. Number 5, avoid exercise and sweating for 48 to 72 hours. Number 6, avoid baths and try to prevent the shower from spraying directly onto the face. Number 7, do not pick, rub, or unnecessarily touch the face. Number 8, minimize facial expressions. You guys, peeling usually starts around the mouth area first. And number 9, skin usually starts to peel 2 days post-peel and may last up to 7 days. Please remember that the amount of days that you peel also has a lot to do with the depth of the peel that is being used. For example, with this one, this is a very superficial peel, so our model will not experience very heavy peeling at all. It'll be very superficial, but it'll bring great results. One thing that I do want you guys to keep in mind is to not always base results based on peeling, okay? A lot of times, most of the time, the work is being done under the skin. I have plenty other videos and other demos of me performing different types of peels. They are also very thorough and you can get a lot more information, so please check them out. Here's a quick look at all the steps and products that are going to be used during the demo. Number 1, we're starting off with the Mega Purifying Cleanser. Number 2, Gentle Facial Wash. Number 3, Lactic Action Pre-Treatment Solution. Number 4, Cell Protection Balm. Number 5, the 5-Berry Pigment Control Peel. Number 6, Skin Recovery Mist. Number 7, the Living Cell Clarifier and the Skin Restoring Fulvic Elixir. Number 8, the Ultra Hydrogel and the Cell Protection Serum. Number 9, the CBD Regenerative Eye Cream. Number 10, Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. And we are topping it off, of course, with the use of SPF. And here's another quick look at the lineup. Alright you guys, now that I have explained what we are going to be doing, we are going to go ahead and get started. And we of course are going to start by doing our first cleanse using the Mega Purifying Cleanser. Second cleanse using the Gentle Facial Wash. We are going to emulsify this with warm water and massage it into the skin for anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're removing it with tepid water, and I am using sponges. Up next, I will be applying the Lactic Action Pre-Treatment Solution. I will be applying it throughout the entire face using a 4x4 gauze. The purpose of this is to help remove any oils from the surface of the skin. In a way, we are degreasing the face, prepping it for the actual peel. Next, I am applying the Cell Protection Balm to the sensitive areas, which are around her eyes, her nose, her lips. I usually like to apply some above the client's eyebrows. Okay, so now we are actually ready to dispense the 5-berry pigment control peel into a small glass dish. I will be saturating a 4x4 gauze thoroughly, and I will be applying the mixture evenly over the entire face. The pattern that I usually do for my peels is what I called a basket weaving pattern, which is what I'm showing you at the moment. We're going to be starting on the forehead, working ourselves down the face, and once we are done, we are going to be keeping track of time, hence why I am showing you my timer. With this specific peel, it is what's called self-neutralize. So since it is a layered peel, you can do anywhere between 1 to 4 layers. Again, we are only going to be doing 2 layers for this demo, and we are waiting anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes in between each layer. Here we are waiting 3 to 4 minutes in between each layer. She was actually not experiencing any high tingle factor or any of that, but we are now ready for our second layer, following the exact same steps, starting on our forehead and then working ourselves down. Now that we have let our second layer sit for 4 minutes, we are ready for the skin recovery mist. Now we are going to be doing 1 pump of the Living Cell Clarifier and 1 pump of the Skin Restoring Fulvic Elixir. We are going to gently apply it to the skin until it's fully absorbed. Remember that the Living Cell Clarifier is full of antioxidants and it contains tons of tyrosinase inhibitors. The Fulvic Skin Elixir also has anti-inflammatory properties, antifungal, antiviral, and it is an amazing antioxidant for our skin's health. Next, we are doing 1 pump of the Ultra Hydro Gel and 1 pump of the Cell Protection Serum. Now, the Cell Protection Serum strengthens the skin's barrier by replenishing critical lipids lost from intrinsic aging following any clinical procedure, you guys. And the Ultra Hydro Gel help replenish dehydrated skin, and it contains 10% hyaluronic acid gel. So it is a great combination, especially after a treatment like the one we just did. Next, I am applying the CBD Eye Cream. It is amazing. The benefits increases hydration, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, increases firmness and elasticity. It helps repair and of course balance that delicate skin that is under our eyes. So as you can see, I am going back and forth, massaging it right into place. Next, I am applying the Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. And of course, last but not least, we are applying SPF 50 throughout her entire face, making sure that she is nicely and protected from sun exposure. She has already been given specific instructions. Always be sure that you explain everything to your clients. And lastly, don't forget to book that post-treatment appointment for anywhere between 10 to 14 days after. This pretty much concludes today's demo. I hope you found it informational. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on offering chemical peel services to your future clients, or if you're an esthetician, is this something that you already offer? You guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.